So the what's this? TELESIN, TELESIN action cam mount. So you can mount a GoPro on this. It comes with the mounts for that, but I'm actually using it for a phone. This goes around your neck. It does disconnect, which is really nice. So you can easily put this around your neck. And I use this for content creation. You can connect a phone in very easily, like this, turn your camera on and work on something and show it. So it's very convenient. You can take it on and off real easy. It is flexible, okay? And it's comfortable. You know, you can actually put it on like that. This mount is adjustable, okay? And like I said, it did come with a few more mounts. I just don't have them in front of me right now. This is the box. You can also use this as a stand. So, for example, you could do, you know, something along the lines of this. I have to tighten this up. I'm not sure it'll work on my phone, but it would work with a smaller camera. Yeah, it's not going to work on theirs, but with a smaller, lighter camera, these new iPhones are extremely heavy. You could use this as a stand. So you do something along the lines. I did this before. I just don't know why it's not working. Oh yeah, there it goes. So, you know, you could imagine the camera up on top of there. So yeah, that's it.